Hello guys, welcome to DieCast Automobiles. In today's video, I had this 1/32 scale model of Porsche Panamera Turbo with me. Guys, the only problem with this model is that it doesn't have a steering wheel, and that's also a manufacturing defect. Overall, the interiors are very good and the model is also well detailed. This model is manufactured by RMZ City. And guys, in today's video, I had featured another car which is the 1/32 scale model of Porsche 918 Spider. I had made a separate video of that particular car. The link for it will be in the description. Go check it out. Subscribe to my channel DieCast Automobiles for more such videos. Keep supporting. Thanks once again for watching. Peace.